This is Cyndy G. In this video we are assembling the Easter treat bags. There are 3 different ones. There's a chick, a frog, and a rabbit. So they all go together pretty much the same way, so I'm just going to do them all in the same video. And you're going to start by folding the score lines. Just the center one is going to fold opposite direction. Fold these down. These will be very quick and easy little treat bags. They're 4 by 4 by 1.5, I believe. 1.5. So they'd be perfect for a school classroom or party because you could get a lot of them done in a short period of time. I tried to keep the design as simple as possible, but still keep it really cute. So you're going to put this black behind the chick's head. And you could and then so the little tufts on the top, you're going to line it up exactly, but the rest of it has a slight border all the way around, just like that. Super cute. Then you're just going to put the little belly on. And then the beak. So you can see it's very quick. Might actually be easier to put this on flat, but it wasn't difficult this way. So it's just up to you. And then you're just going to close it up. Just going to use my bone folder to reach inside and make sure this is secured down. So you can see these are so simple. And they have a little hole here so that you can use ribbon or some other kind of wire. I'm just using a pipe cleaner. There's the chick. Now the frog. Okay. And just like with the chick, there is no border around the part that's popped up above. So we're just going to line that right up. And then you're going to have your slight border around the rest of it. Okay. And just add your square to the back. You're just gonna eye that. It has a border all the way around. So it is easier doing this before you glue that. He has a tummy like the chick does. Okay. And then for the mouth, you're going to glue the cheeks here at the top of the mouth. And then just glue the eyes in the center of the white. Okay. Okay. And now there will be a slight border around the eyes when you put these in place. So you do want to just leave a little bit of a border. Super cute, super easy bags. And they just go together so quickly. You can have your kids even help you do these. You could pick out a really cute pattern paper, especially for the panel that's on the back. Do something really cute. But you can't ask for a quicker, cuter little bag. These would be really cute to put in your Easter baskets. Put a special little treat inside. Do a little piece of jewelry. Again, I'm just going to use my bone folder to go inside and push down the bottoms. There's the frog, super sweet. And you would just put the pipe cleaner on the same way you did with the chick. And now the bunny. Okay, now the bunny. Whoops. So the bunny, whatever color you make your bag, is going to be the color that pops through the ears. So keep that in mind when you're picking your bag color. And again, it's just going to line right up to the edge there. And then you're just going to add your nose to the front. Okay. And then for the back, you have a bunny tail. So again, you have 3 different options with these files. You have a chick, a frog, and a bunny. All very quick to put together. Good to use for gatherings or school classrooms. Okay. And that's it. That is the frog, the chick, and the bunny bags. Thank you for joining me.